The best global dental symposium, Osstem World Meeting, now returns to Seoul after a decade. The meeting will take place in Seoul, Korea from April 27th Saturday to 28th Sunday. Various hands-on courses, a vibrant Osstem Night, and a Global Symposium are prepared. Day 1. Hands-on course. You have the opportunity to take the courses given by the most renowned and talented dentists in the world. At night, Osstem World Night awaits you. Step into a night of unparalleled entertainment as we present spectacular EVE events. Day 2. Osstem World Meeting Symposium. The symposium consists of 4 sessions, 6 lectures, and 1 live surgery. Moderators. Expert moderators will guide and facilitate the academic sessions. Speakers. First session, Dr. Kanayama Takeo from Japan and Dr. Varo Boyer from the United States of America. Second session, Dr. Yin-Shik Her from Korea and Professor Marco Tellerico from Italy. The highlight of the Osstem World Meeting, live surgery. Renowned Korean dentists Professor Young-Dae Kwon and Professor Jae-Young Kim will be performing a live surgery. Last session, Dr. Joshua Shia from Canada and Dr. Burak B. Yurtbiller from Turkey. The best global dental symposium, Osstem World Meeting. Join us now to secure your seats for your academic achievements and unforgettable memories in Korea. 2024 Osstem World Meeting Seoul.